What is the obligation of women regarding the reciting of the special Hallel prayer during the days of Chanuka? So it says that there are certain days during the year when one says the entire Hallel prayer. Those are 18 days, or if in outside of Israel, 21 days a year when we say the entire Hallel. This is apart from the Hallel that we say on Rosh Chodesh, which is not called the whole Hallel because there are two of the sections that we leave out to show that Rosh Chodesh is different from other festive days. But the 8 days of Chanukah are days in which we have a mitzvah to say the entire Hallel. They ask the question, why do we say it every single day? The Chanukah is one festival. So the answer that since there was a new miracle every single day, the miracle with the oil in the Bet HaMikdash, that's why every day is regarded as a new miracle, and that's why every single day we say the full Hallel. Now, this is the din in general. What is the status of women? Are women obligated in this special prayer during Chanukah? So this happens to be the subject of a difference of opinion between halachic authorities. One set of authorities hold that the Hallel that we say on Chanukah is a time-based mitzvah. We find that there's a whole number of mitzvot, both Torah mitzvot and rabbinic mitzvot, which are only done at a specific time. For example, on Sukkot, we sit in the Sukkah and we take the lulav. That's a time-based mitzvah. It's only on Sukkot. So this is a time-based mitzvah. We only do it at a specific time, and our general rule is that a time-based mitzvah, that a positive mitzvah that's based on time, is women are exempt from it. So they want to say the same thing goes for the Hallel on Chanukah, that since the Hallel on Chanukah is only said during the days of Chanukah or other special times, but specific times, not every day, therefore women are exempt. So that's one opinion. The other opinion says that no, there's a special reason that women, just like the sages obligated women in the mitzvah of lighting candles on Chanukah to publicize the miracle, and because they were also part of the miracle, so too they have to say the Hallel as well. So here we have two opinions whether women are obligated in Hallel on Chanukah. According to one opinion, it's just like a time-based mitzvah from which women are exempt, and this opinion is based on the idea that it's on the days of Chanukah, and that's time-based. Others say, no, it's based on the fact that it's based on the miracle that took place. That's the reason we say the Hallel, and women were also part of it, and they're obligated in all the mitzvot the same as men. I saw that they say that even if a woman is exempt, the woman can say the Hallel, and it's probably proper that she should say Hallel, and I think that the custom is that women in general do say Hallel, and they can even say the Hallel with a bracha. This is certainly true for Ashkenazi women, and I was told that this is the same thing also for Sephardic women as well. If a person is saying Hallel during the days of Chanukah, one may say the Hallel during the whole day. If one didn't say it during the morning prayers, he can say it at a later stage during the day. The Hallel prayer should be said standing up. If a person is very tired or weak, he should try to stand up. If he cannot stand up, he can say it sitting down. But apart from that, one should definitely try to say the Hallel standing up. One has to be very careful not to leave anything out. If a person would say the Hallel and leave out words, he has actually not fulfilled the mitzvah and has to go back and say it again. So one has to be very careful to say every single word. What's the halacha regarding if a person only said the partial Hallel, the type of Hallel that we say on Rosh Chodesh, and he said that on Chanukah? On Chanukah one has to say the entire Hallel, not like Rosh Chodesh when you only say partial Hallel. What happens if a person by mistake would say the partial Hallel on Chanukah? He has to go back and say the whole Hallel over again with a bracha. So the question of women on Hallel on Chanukah is a machloket. There's a different subject to a difference of opinion whether women are obligated in it or not. I think it's a good idea to be strict and yes to say it, and it seems to be the prevailing custom.